Greetings, nerds and virgins. Welcome to another video, and I'm your host of the morning. We're gonna go wake up Uriah, and yeah, enjoy the video. Woo. I'm pumped, man. Like, today is gonna be fucking... You guys are gonna love this video, so... And let's go wake up the big guy. Yo, big guy. Yes, ma'am.
So today we're gonna be doing a full day of eating. Today we're actually gonna show you what I eat every day, so you guys can, you know, get an idea of what my calorie intake is, what my macros look like, what my protein looks like. By the way, these pink things on my back are there because the other day I was at the gym and there was a deadlift bar and there was 460 on the bar, and I happened to pull that weight and I locked it out. It's not on camera, and as I go to walk out I like pull a muscle, but like it's nothing crazy or anything. Take a couple days off, so yeah, that's the reason of the pink stuff on my back. So let's get right into it. So before I start my mornings, always, and this is for every male out there that, you know, starts their mornings, you know, they don't want to have like skin problems or anything. First things first, always wash your face, because you don't want acne, you don't want any of that stuff. You want healthy skin. So keep the temperature of the water between hot and cold. Like, don't either go hot or cold, just kind of keep it in between. It's really nice. So I have no clue why the sun's out. It's literally December. Yes, there was like a snowstorm. There was like 5 years of snow that came down in 10 minutes. Funny thing is, in this house we have problems with like what face towels we use, and like everyone starts like World War III when I like use a towel for my face. Alright, so that's always the first thing I do before my mornings. Alright, so as you guys know, right, I live in Canada, and Tim Hortons is notorious in Canada. It's huge. So if you're not a real Canadian, you will not have a 20-pack of Timbits on your kitchen table every morning. You're simply not a true Canadian if you don't have that, right? Facts. So if you're Canadian and you wake up in the morning and you don't have Timbits on your table, something's wrong with you. So yeah, I'd check in on that. Just to show you guys, I'm not playing games on this at all. There are 450 calories in this muffin. I'm just both getting serious. So, first meal of the day.
Is it good?
Oh, it's really fucking tasty. Alright, so that little 450 calorie muffin is absolutely demolished. And for everyone wondering what kind of brand of muffins that is, it's this. So, if you guys want to get nice and fat, go for this. So, yeah, we're gonna move on to my next meal. Alright, so we're moving on to the second special meal or whatever. So, there's a bagel here, and then there's a bagel getting warmed up. The other one. Oh, those are the other ones. So, I close it, and instead of just eating the bagel like a normal guy, just like a normal human being, I'll take these out real quick. Anyways, to make the bagel 10 times better, maybe you're not used to this, cutting the bagel in half makes the bagel taste 10 times better, and it goes down 10 times faster. This should be 200 calories per each bagel, so that's another 400 calories. A lot of like people, they have all like these fancy drinks in the morning and stuff. I'm gonna show you what type of guy I am. Grab a random cup, fill it up with water. Do you see the clock right now? Wait till it goes on 1, 3, 2, 1, go.
Slammed.
That's what I do in the morning, just water, because yeah, I love water. Water's literally like my go-to snack, my go-to drink. But yeah, alright, so we're coming to a last bite of this delicious bagel. It was very enjoyable.
How do you get bigger biceps?
That's done. I'm gonna kind of let my food digest a little bit, drink some more water, and then I'm probably gonna go take a shower and stuff like that. So, yeah. Alright, so I just made myself a bowl of fruit. There's bananas and blueberries in here, and yeah, these are gonna be my fruits for today. And yeah, it's 11 o'clock right now, 11:16 or whatever. And yeah, this is my third meal of the day, I guess you could put it that way. So yeah, this is my last meal before lunch, and yeah. Alright, so to maintain, you know, my stomach expanded all the time, like, so I have an appetite, I'm always drinking water throughout the day. So for example, even now, grab this mug. To keep your stomach expanded all the time, you need to make sure you're drinking water. Water is really gonna, you know, it's really gonna expand your stomach. It's gonna give you more of an appetite, so you're gonna be more hungry. So if you want to eat more food, you need to drink more water. That's plain simple. You need to understand that these are the fundamentals. You know, if you want to eat more and if you want to bulk. It's 11:17 right now. I'm gonna demolish this. Boom, that's done. Alright, so these are my supplements, I guess you can put it that way, that I'm going to be taking this morning. So here we have like a multivitamin in a gummy, so I'm going to eat these. And yeah, there's nothing really that much to say about that. Just take them in the morning, that's what I take every morning. And here we have vitamin D, so I'm going to take another capsule along with this one. I highly recommend vitamin D, especially because it's the winter. So that's that. Last but not least, we have some Advil, because as you guys know, my back's having some, you know, a little bit of snap action, so I'll take some Advil. Right, so you guys saw what I take for supplements and stuff in the morning, and yeah, what I eat in the morning basically. So it is 11:57, it's almost 12 o'clock, and I'm gonna go take a shower, and then yeah, we're gonna have lunch, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make, what I'm gonna eat, all that fun stuff. And yeah, hope everyone's enjoying the video. Like for now, yeah, we're gonna go lift today also at the gym. I'm gonna do a push day, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys through that. We might, if you guys are lucky, we might go to a new gym. And yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower right now because I need a shower, and yeah, that's all I really got to say. So let's go. As you can see now, my hair is all dry, you know, face is not too clear. The minute I put my hand on the camera, I'm gonna be all clean. Yeah, so hair's not like super wet, but yeah, I'm starting to get hungry again, so now I'm gonna get changed, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna eat next for lunch. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the next scene. Alright, so lunch. I was talking to you guys before about this, so I didn't record me cooking it or anything like that. We just made it. So here we have 14 sausages, and then we have some good guacamole that I just made, and these are 2 avocados, and then I put olive oil, then salt, and then some lime, and that makes perfect guacamole. I'd say 1,500 calories. This is my lunch, and yeah, we're gonna eat this food. This should be our pre-workout meal, but then after this, we're gonna go to the gym, and yeah. It's recording? Alright, so here I am again, walking to my car like in the last video, with something in my teeth that they could be the same things as last time, but I'm not gonna tell you guys because I honestly, like, whoever knows at this point. So walking in the car right now. As you can see, car's already on, but yeah, it's freezing right now. I'm gonna get in the car, and as you guys know, I live in Canada, so I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of a cinematic shot right now. I'm gonna get in the car. The car is warmed up. Oh. You guys know that feeling when you like get in the car and like it's really, really warm compared to outside? That's that feeling right now, right? Yes, sir. Alright, so I just warmed up, so now I'm gonna warm up with the bar, and then we're gonna move on to 135 and see how it feels.
It can only mean one thing.
Capellistan di merda. Follow. Alright, Uriah, we wrapped up the friggin' video. So as you guys just saw, that's the end of the workout footage. Had a really good workout. Unfortunately I had to get off my program because I was actually talking with my new coach. So I'm getting on a new program soon, so stay tuned for more. You know, we're just talking and stuff, and I was just like, okay, there's no point of starting my new program, you know, my custom made, if I'm just gonna start another one. So I just kind of went off program, did a 5x5 with 185 on incline. Felt pretty good. I haven't went to the gym realistically like in like 4 days because of like my back. Like I really wanted to heal and stuff because it's not a major problem, but taking time off is, you know, definitely the smartest thing to do, and I don't want to snap all my shit. So when I first started out, I came here like once, and this is my first gym where I deadlifted 315 actually, and yeah, so it was kind of like euphoric when I came back in here. We had the option to go to a way bigger gym that's like way nicer, but I was just like, you know what, let's keep it chill, try to get really good footage for you guys like always, and hope you guys are really enjoying the video. And by the way, this is a full day of eating, so yeah, that was the end of the workout footage, and now we're gonna move on to the next scene. So yeah, let's go. So here we have rice, and then we have chicken breaded sticks. I highly recommend these, and my greens for tonight. And after this whole meal, I'm gonna digest stuff and then take my protein, because I always like taking my protein post-workout. And this is a one-time thing, guys. I swear on my life that this isn't something I do every night. There just happens to be some pizza, and you know what? I'm a hungry guy, right? But yeah, yeah, so there's 2 pieces of pizza, like, you know, they happen to be in my kitchen, like, I don't know why, but they were just there, so I have to demolish them. So this is my dinner, pretty big dinner post-workout. This is my post-workout meal, get it right in your head. And I'm just gonna throw this off my head, like, I'm just gonna think about this like, off my head. I would say this is probably around 2,500 calories, maybe 3,000, depends. But yeah, that's a lot of food for being a post-workout, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. That's all I have to say, so I'm gonna get to eating this food because I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. Look what time it is. You guys can see it's not exactly early. This is not what time I eat dinner every night. This just happens to be all this because, you know, fuck you. This is the first time in my life I have an appetite, and I'm so hungry, and I'm very, very happy, and I hope my mom is really proud of me. And I think I'm gonna get really emotional right now because I'm actually hungry for the first time in my life. No, all seriousness, I'm actually hungry as and I'm about to like I'm gonna eat all this food, all this, and the greens, get that in there. Yeah, I'll catch you guys after this. Now, on the next scene.
Sloan.